All right, guys, I want to hit on a topic that comes up pretty regular in our shop, and that's customers wanting OEM parts under insurance replacement. Now, typically, the insurance company gives a lot of pushback on OEM requests to have an OEM windshield installed in the car, and that typically is due to price because there's typically a significant difference between OEM glass and aftermarket glass. Even though now, if you have an aftermarket glass that is a quality manufacturer, everything is still manufactured to the same specifications. They have to meet a certain specifications in order to be sold and put into the car. There's some, and we know on the inside, there's kind of like a tier system of good parts versus bad parts. And even some manufacturers who make terrific parts might make a run of parts for a certain model that don't fit very well. So, typically on the inside, we have an idea of what that is, and then we make corrections on the back end to make sure that we're installing the best possible part. But we have a ton of customers that get the insurance company does not approve an OEM replacement, and because an aftermarket is available. So, if the aftermarket is not available, the insurance company will typically approve the OEM with no hassle. But if the aftermarket is available from any resource locally, then the insurance company goes, sorry, if you want an OEM part, you have to pay the difference of the cost. And we have some customers that choose to do that, and that's all right. It's all customer preference. OEM parts are a little more difficult on the auto glass side for the shops because we can't provide the same warranty on an OEM part that we would on the aftermarket part due to most of the manufacturers will not stand behind their parts in the same way that the aftermarket distributors will stand behind the part. So many times we can offer a better warranty on an aftermarket part that we can't offer on an OEM part. But what I want to touch on is OEM endorsements through your insurance. So in South Carolina, as long as you have comprehensive coverage, non-deductible auto glass replacement is part of that. And if you would prefer, if you ever had to file a claim for a windshield, to have an OEM windshield put in, and you want to ensure there's going to be zero hassle from your insurance company on getting that approved, it might be a smart idea to add an OEM endorsement to your policy. It's something else that you can add to your policy, another level of coverage that you can add to your policy that is an additional cost over the comprehensive, that you're basically paying the extra up front month to month or every 6 months or annually or however you pay your bills. However you pay your insurance premium, it's an extra level of coverage that will cover an OEM replacement if you ever need the replacement. You choose to have OEM. So you call up, make your claim, you go, hey, I have an OEM endorsement on my policy, I prefer to use OEM parts. And most cases at that point in time, they go, oh yeah, you do have an OEM endorsement, and yep, OEM is approved on this one, and then we can roll through and continue what we're doing without any hassle from the insurance company and not having to make 16 phone calls trying to fight with these suckers. So I would recommend, if you have a vehicle and you prefer to have OEM parts only, adding an OEM endorsement to your insurance policy. That way you don't have any issues getting that approved in the future. So we'll continue doing sort of tips like this to the consumer to make sure that whatever decision you make with your car and your policies and whatever you may, go about with your vehicle, that we're providing you with information that makes any replacement in the future as hassle-free as possible. So, all right, guys, we appreciate it. If you go like, share, subscribe, follow, share this to all your friends. Let's try to pump up some of these numbers, some of these followers. We're starting to do pretty good, starting to get quite a bit of following, and I think a lot of people are getting benefits from these videos and learning about how this process works. Ultimately, we started this channel because of consumer awareness. We want the consumer to understand the difference between good work and the difference between good and bad work, and how it should be, how it shouldn't be, processes of filing claims, what you might encounter. This is all consumer-based content. We might throw a little content in there in the mix for the industry here and there, some funny stuff, but ultimately our goal is consumer awareness. We want you to have all the tools that you need to be able to make the best decision for you and your vehicle and your family. So, like, share, subscribe. Thanks, guys.